here at the Cruces Museum of Nature and Science. See? Coelophysis up there. We got Coelophysis right here. See information. If you'd like to read it, it's right there. Yeah, we're here at the Cruces Museum of Nature and Science, and we got Coelophysis, New Mexico's fossil right there. Yeah, here we have Coelophysis right up there. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Yes, it is, Tyler. I can't wait to check out more. Look at these right here. Lizard. Probably left those behind. Wow. Pretty cool. Look down here. And look at this little guy right here. I think he's sleeping. Yeah, he's just sleeping right there in his little enclosure. Oh man, what is that? One of those vinegar scorpions? That's what it looks like. See him right there? Yeah, we see him. Oh geez, I think he's moving. Yeah, that's freaky looking. Oh look, he's moving. Oh snap. Oh, that's freaky, the way he's moving so slow. And he froze. We come this way. Take a look at this. The skeleton of a Dimetrodon. See it, Tyler? Yep, I see it. See it from tail to his head. Wow, look at that. Look at that impressive sail on his back. Yeah, this is Dimetrodon right here. Now let's just look at that. See the skull, see the teeth, see his short limbs, his shoulder blades, his rib cage, back legs, pelvis, tail, and then of course those large spines on his back. Yeah, we got Dimetrodon right here, which is possibly the creature that left these tracks behind down here. See him? Yep, I see him. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at him. You can also see the tracks imprinted right there on the glass. So we got Dimetrodon right here. Why don't we move this way a little? So we got a view of him from right there. Not so close. And just take a look at these tracks down here. Yeah, we got a good view of him right here. What if we zoom in a little? Yeah, you see him? See those vicious looking teeth? And that sail on his back? Yeah, we got a good view of him right there. And if we want to look down here, we can read some information about the tracks. Yeah, Dimetrodon. Want to read more about it right here, folks? It's in English and Spanish. Yeah, you see it right here. Feel free to read. So yeah, we got Dimetrodon right here. Wow. See those tracks down there? Yeah, we see them. Kind of reminds us of when we went to go check out the tracks beneath Mount Crystal Ray. Yeah, we explored some very large dino tracks beneath Mount Crystal Ray at first. Yeah, look at him right here. Very cool Dimetrodon right there. Yeah, look at that. Impressive skull. Look at the spines on his back for the sail. Right here. Yeah, pretty cool. Dimetrodon. And I want to look at this up here. Yeah, feel free to read. Yeah, I can't get enough of this Dimetrodon skeleton right here. And we remember seeing one too at the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science in Albuquerque. Yeah, just look at those tracks down there. See them? Yeah, left behind by Dimetrodon right here. Pretty magnificent, isn't it? Definitely is, Smilo. Yeah, you think it's cool, Tyler? Definitely. Coming back around. Right here. Wow. Pretty impressive right here. And if you want to read something about this man, I believe he's the one who found these fossils. Jerry McDonald. Yeah, I want to read a little bit about this man right here. See, here they are, excavating the fossils. Right here. Tools that they used. Wow. See this? Western diamondback rattlesnake right here. Yeah, see, these snakes were not small, they were big. See the rattle? And see the fangs? Yeah, they'll strike so fast you won't have a chance to blink. Yeah, like our friend Sonora, the Western diamondback rattlesnake. Very venomous, very dangerous, and very feared snakes. And here's a skeleton. See the rattle? See the skeleton of a rattlesnake right here? And then look, see this button right here? Yep, that's the sound of a rattlesnake right there. Really vicious. Just take a look at this big turtle right here. See him? Look, he's looking right at us. Oh man, he looks scary. Wow. Oh, he's moving. Oh, look at him go. Look at his big shell. One of these big snapping turtles. Oh, coming up for air. See all the little minnows and little fishies swimming around him? Yeah, he's a giant. Very, very big turtle. See him, Linkser? Yep, we see him. Take a look at these guys right here. See the turtle? Yeah, look, he's right there. See him, Linkser? Yep, I see two of them. Oh, look at him go. Look at these and see the little fishies in there coming up for air. Look at this. You can keep on swimming, buddy. You're never gonna get past the glass. Wow. Look at this cool little aquarium world in here. And up there too. Pretty cool. Got some fish in here, but I don't know if you could see them because of the reflection. Yeah, we got some pretty cool looking fish in here. Yeah, sorry, the reflection's not helping at all. Yeah, we got some fish in there. And if we come down here, there's a turtle right there. If you could see him. Yeah, he's poking his head up a little to breathe. Yeah, that's a turtle right there. Sorry if you can't see him, it's pretty well camouflaged, right? Yeah, right there. But then if you look up, see the fox up there? I think it's a gray fox. Yeah, there's a gray fox up there looking down at us. See him? And then there's an owl up there. Probably a great horned owl, maybe? Yeah, I want to zoom in a little. Yeah, there's the owl. And then a hawk. See the hawk up there? Look at the lizard in there. See the lizard? Right there? Common chuckwalla. Right there. Yeah, he's moving. We see you, buddy. Yeah, see the lizard right there? And look at these little fishies right here. So it's supposed to be a frog or something in there? I don't know, I don't see one. Yeah, just little fishies right here. If there's a frog in there, I don't see him. Oh wait, I think I see him. Yep, okay, there he is. See him? Yeah. Hiding right there in the little plants area, right there. And then Linkser, I think you're really gonna like this one. See the bobcat? Oh yeah, I see him. There's my fellow bobcat up there. Yeah, I see my fellow bobcat. How's it going up there, buddy? Nice view? Yep, there's my fellow bobcat friends up there. Now it's me, Gray, and it's me, Crugar. And we're gonna take it from here. Look at these little minnows in here. I think there's supposed to be a frog in here. Still can't see it because he's probably hiding somewhere in there. And then in here we got a collared lizard. See, I think he's kind of shedding right there. Yeah, shedding his skin. Yeah, there, if you can see him. You can barely see his tail right there. It's a snake in there, but you can barely see him. Rattlesnake. Yeah, you can barely see his tail in there. Okay, but if you look up there, we got another hawk right there. And then we got coyote. You see a coyote? See the coyote, Gray? Yep, I see it. And then Gray, I think you're really gonna like this next one. Yep, I love what I see. A gray wolf up there. A Mexican gray wolf. Yeah, we've seen gray wolves before. But yeah, that is pretty awesome. Seen gray wolves at the El Paso Zoo. Yep. And coyotes as well, and bobcats. Smilo and Linkser were over there. Yeah, we got the gray wolf up there. And then we got a javelina right there. Desert plains. Why don't we see what we have in here? See anything? Yep, I see him. See the little froggy right there? Yeah, I see him. Cute little froggy. And we come right here. Look at these guys. Wow, they're freaky looking. Yeah, see him right there? Yep, I see him, Gray. Pretty cool indeed, Crugar. Wow. We come right here. Wow, we got a big frog right there. See the frog? Yep, I see him. Bunch of minnows everywhere. Must be a nice little tropical area. Okay, and then up here is about to get a little freaky, okay? Okay, what do we got? See you all the way back there by the rock? We got a millipede right there. Yeah, see it? We got a millipede. And then right there, oh man, I don't know if you could see him, a tarantula. Yeah, that's a big tarantula right there. And see that spider? False black widow. Oh, so it's not a real black widow? Kind of looks like one, but then looks can be deceiving. But yeah, you see that big tarantula right there? Ugh. Yeah, that's freaky. And a scorpion. See his tail right there? See the stinger? Yeah, we got a scorpion right there. Pretty big scorpion too. Yeesh. What else? Another little scorpion. You see him on the rock? Yeah. Very creepy scorpion right there. And we got another spider. Tarantula right there. Desert invertebrates. See the tarantula? And then we got another spider back there, if you could see him. Not sure what kind. Yeah, a bunch of creepy crawlers right there under those freaky red lights. Yeah, you got the wolf up there, javelina up here, and if we come this way, Crugar, I think you're gonna like what you see. Yup, I definitely do, Gray. Got a Crugar up there. see the mountain lion? Yeah, we got a mountain lion up there. Desert life. Yep, magnificent cougar. Mountain lion, puma, panther, catamount, whatever you want to call it. And if we come over here, folks, here we will find the Tyrant Lizard King itself, Tyrannosaurus Rex. Biggest carnivore North America has ever seen. Wow, take a look at that. You see it, Tyler? Yep, I see it, Smilo. Believe it or not, we actually know this T-Rex. His name is Stan, and we met him at the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science. Tyrant Lizard King right here. Look at this massive skull. Wow. How you doing, Stan? Long time no see, buddy. Absolutely magnificent. Just look at the size of those teeth. Wow. See it? Look at those teeth right there. Wow. He's a big one. You see it? The skull looks like it's at least a good 4, maybe 5 feet long. Stan measures about 38 feet long. Wow. Haven't seen a T-Rex in forever. Let's move over here. Now we got a good look inside his mouth. See it? Whoa. That's a magnificent skull right here. Look at the size of this skull. Yeah, and Stan is one of the largest, most complete T-Rex fossils ever found. Yeah, his fossils were discovered in South Dakota in an area called Hell Creek, and was named after the man who found him. If you look right here, you can see the size of T-Rex's footprints right here. So we're in front of his skull, and you can see 2 feet right there. When standing, the feet of Tyrannosaurus Rex were 6 feet apart. Yep, so that's 6 feet right there. Come right here. Yep, they're big. See the tracks right here? The average Tyrannosaurus foot was 2.5 feet long. Yeah, you see him? Yep, very big tracks right here. You want to read the information right here. Yeah, take the time to read all this. Explain some info about Stan. Right here, the largest carnivore roaming New Mexico. You don't think those tracks we saw beneath Mount Crystal Ray could have been left behind by this massive giant, do you? Maybe, Smilo. I don't know, we had our theories, but this could be a possibility. Right here. And Stan is actually the first T-Rex that we have ever met, back when he used to be exhibited at the museum in Albuquerque. Yeah, can you see us down here? Yeah, we're up close to a skull of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Yeah, you see him? See those magnificent teeth? Yeah, he's got a mouth full of them. Very sharp, could bite you in half. Said to have one of the strongest bite forces of any other creature on the planet. Yeah, you see him? See us down here compared to this massive skull? Just look at those impressive teeth. Tyrant Lizard King, measuring anywhere around 40 feet in length. This skull is at least a good 4 or 5 feet long, with some teeth that are at least a good foot in length. Hey, Stan. Yeah, just look at him. See us down here? And then you see this magnificent skull right here. Yeah, look at him. Right here. this is just his skull. We've actually seen him in the full glory of his complete skeleton. And yeah, pretty big skull, isn't he? Just take him in, folks. Yeah, he's not gonna bite us anymore. But yeah, he sure is impressive. Man, a mighty T-Rex right here, folks. Our good friend Stan. Yeah, I want to take one last good look at him, Tyler. Yeah, first time I ever got to see an exhibit of my own species. Man, he's absolutely magnificent. Can get as close as we can, but don't touch. Yeah, we're not gonna touch him. Yeah, just look at those magnificent teeth right there. My, those jaws, the eye sockets, look at all those holes inside his skull. Yeah, probably not the biggest T-Rex, but still, you see him up close, you get a picture of how big he really is. Yeah, it was really good to see you again, Stan, our old friend. But yeah, just look at those massive fangs, big teeth. Yeah, haven't seen a T-Rex in forever, so this is pretty cool. Makes it more special that he's an old fossil friend of ours. Yeah, we're practically inside his mouth right now. Yeah, you see? Right inside his mouth. Man, he's absolutely epic. Very cool. Tyrant Lizard King. Yeah, we love you, Stan. And look at this Roadrunner right here. See the little Roadrunner? Right here. Yeah, literally run across the road. You see them all the time. Yeah, we got a Roadrunner right here. Yeah, we got another view of it right here. Its own exhibit. Yeah, you see him right here? Yeah, we got a good view of him. Right here. We got some more fossilized tracks right here. See, right there, Dimetrodon, or the Permian Trackways up there. And right here, we got the tracks, if you can see them. Possibly left behind by Dimetrodon. See them? Yeah, very nice trackways. Wow. Wanna come this way? Fossil tracks. Right here. What's this? Oh wow. Look at these. Look at layers. Rocks split in half, revealing these little fossilized tracks. Now that's pretty cool. There we go. Yeah, see these fossilized trackways? What if we come this way a little? See right here? A shoreline in the desert. Yep, remember how we said that much of this area we're in used to be beachways? Prehistoric beaches? Yeah, you look at those tracks down there. Wow, really cool tracks, Dimetrodon tracks. Wanna read some of the information up here? Wow, pretty cool. Wow, very, very nice tracks right here. Pretty cool indeed. Got more tracks right here on the wall. Fossil